Welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to share with you what is without doubt the easiest method I have come across in earning money online and from home. And I've been doing this stuff for about 15 years and I've been doing it full time since 2017. So I don't say this lightly. This method I'm going to share with you today, I'll share with you my earnings. We'll break it down. We'll also look at some myths around this and wrong beliefs what people have about this method, because honestly once you learn just how simple this is, and I'm going to show you that, I think many of you watching this will start, but there's no reason why you shouldn't start this. There absolutely isn't. So what is the method and how does all of this work? Well, let's just let's just start right at the beginning. Okay, so I came across this method about 6 weeks ago, did a bit of research, well, about 8 weeks ago, did a little bit of research onto this and then dived in, and I'll share some earnings with you and I'll walk you through this process, okay? But let me start at the beginning, okay? And I'm going to start with this website here, Amazon, not .co.uk.com. I'm going to go over here really quickly. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go down and find a product, so like this product here, okay? And then you can see here, so this is the product, and you can see the name, price, etc. On the left hand side we've got the usual stuff, we've got the images. Then you'll notice here it says, look at this, 6 videos. So traditionally you may have 1 or 2 videos from the creator of that product. But if I click on here really quickly, I'm sorry, let me mute this. Apologies about that. So we're saying we have these videos down here on the right hand side. Now what Amazon introduced about, it was probably about 12 to 18 months ago, was the influencer program, and we'll come on to this in a couple of minutes. We'll also cover some misconceptions about this, but basically what this allows you to do is, as you can see over here on the right hand side, so someone here has uploaded a 14-second video. 14 seconds. This one here, 11 seconds. And then we can see 53 seconds and a minute and 4 seconds. Now what happens here is, the video at the top up here, this will just start playing automatically. Then it will go onto the first one here, and it will go through. But as a user, you can click on any of these down here. Now if we were to go ahead and watch a bit of this video over here and then buy the actual product, this KJL Care over here, he would earn an affiliate commission, which is unbelievable. And I'll give you another example of this. And then literally you can see 12 takes 14 seconds. But if I come here and click on this over here, this will take me over to his profile, okay? And if I scroll down here, you can see he's got 112 posts in total. But if I click on videos, you can see, look, just unbox this item here. 1 minute 14, 27, 14, 10 seconds, 13 seconds, 16, 14. It's unbelievable. Genuinely, this method is awesome, okay? So essentially what this is, you can go around your home, you can find products that you have, which are on the Amazon US site. That's the only caveat. The products have to be on Amazon US. If you have a product in your home, or at work, or in your garage, your shed, your conservatory, anywhere basically, you can record a review video and you can upload it onto Amazon. And if people watch a part of that video and then buy the product, you will earn a commission, which sounds ridiculous, to be honest with you, because we're stealing Amazon's traffic. There's already people on the platform who are in a buying mode. So, we're just getting our short videos in front of them, okay? So let's talk about the Amazon influencer program, okay? And I'm just going to bring up the frequently asked questions page for you, because there's lots of information on here, okay? So let's come down here. So what is the influencer program? Now basically it allows you can see on here, look, they will give you a special vanity URL. So basically what that means is, once you've been accepted, and we'll talk about that in a second, they will allow you to create your own URL on Amazon. So if I come over to, not this one, let's go on to this one here, I'll show you mine, / not taught at school. So you can see on here, this is my vanity link up here. This is my own link. So you can see on here, I have currently got 19 posts on here, and you can see we've got these different reviews for different videos. And all I'm doing here is I've just gone around the house and found products which are on Amazon US, and I have uploaded them onto the platform, okay? So if we come down here, let's just close this down. How do I want to show you let's come down to, let's go back over here. I'll show you this. So I'm going to type in Amazon Influencer Program, and I want to show you this part here. Okay, so we'll come on here, and this is where a lot of people get confused with this. So we'll come down here. So part one is you build a storefront, which is this over here, which I have just shown you. Part two is, as you can see over here, it allows you to create content and recommend products to your audience, and then you can start earning money once those videos are live on Amazon. It's crazy, but this is the part, okay? The most important part. How do I qualify for this program? There are a number of ways that you can apply to become an influencer with Amazon. Scroll down here, you can see, look, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or even TikTok, okay? Now, people think they have to have thousands and thousands of followers. You don't. I know people, I'm in a Facebook group because I was doing a bit of research for this before I dived into this. There's people in this Facebook group with 8 followers. There was one person in this group who had 8 followers on TikTok. They got accepted into the influencer program. There was somebody else with 86 followers on, 86 subscribers on YouTube, and they got accepted into this. The biggest thing that I have learned from doing all of the research into the influencer program is Amazon are looking for engagement. Okay, so if you're putting out, videos and you're not getting any likes or comments or anything like any interaction, they're not going to accept you. But if you are getting engagement and you are getting people liking your posts or your videos, commenting down below or asking questions, that's engagement. And that is, it's a thumbs up from Amazon, because obviously they have people landing on Amazon looking at products. They want your videos to be engaging. They want your videos to, prompt a reaction from the people who are looking at them. So you don't need thousands of followers. You absolutely don't. We've seen people with less than 20 followers. We've also seen people then less with 100 followers. And this is not just on one platform. You can do this with TikTok. As you can see on here, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and also YouTube. So you can literally just start right at the beginning, or you can even go ahead and buy an account. It's entirely up to you. But once you've gone ahead and you've applied to this program and you've been accepted, you will then, part one is this over here, you get your own storefront, which is pretty cool. And on your storefront, you can put ideas lists on here, so you can just basically find different products over on Amazon, and you can put an idea list here. So here you can see I've got these different ideas for a gaming room. Okay, but the main part of it is this over here, which is videos. Because once you've been accepted into the program, it then goes on to part two, which is this over here. So come to here onto videos. Now inside of let me close this. Inside of my account, you can see it says earned on-site commissions. When you first get accepted into the influencer program, there is currently a blue lock over here. And what it will say to you here, down here, is it will say upload 3 videos. And then what happens is you upload your 3 videos on here. They then get sent off to Amazon, and somebody within Amazon will review those videos to make sure you're not promoting any other products, you're not spamming videos, you're not trying to get people to follow you on Facebook and YouTube and all these sorts of things. Your videos that you are uploading are about the product. We don't talk about pricing. We don't talk about, basically, what I've learned from this is you keep your videos as short and precise about the actual product, and literally that's it. So like my best tips for this, because originally when I applied for this, I uploaded my 3 videos and I got rejected. And I was like, why have I been rejected? So I went away, I did some research on this, and it turned out I'd spoken about the price in one of the videos. And then the second one, I'd shown the box and it had the Amazon barcode on there. They didn't like that neither. So it's a case of get the product that you're talking about, keep it short, keep it sweet, and don't mention the price at all, okay? So once you've uploaded those videos and you have been accepted, as you can see over here, you can then start having these videos next to products on Amazon. And honestly, I just love this. I mean, I can't believe it's a real method. But if I scroll down here, you can see, so I uploaded 4 videos yesterday, and then before that I didn't upload for 8 days, 9 days maybe. And if we scroll down here, you can see these are the videos that I uploaded. So I've had 12 videos on the platform. And then yesterday I uploaded 4 more. And what happens here is once your video has been uploaded, you can see It says here, look, it typically takes 2 days for your video to appear on related product detail pages. But why I love this method, and I mean, I still can't believe it's a real method, is as you can see on the left hand side here, these videos, they're very short. I haven't bought any products. I'm just going around my house finding products which are on Amazon US and I'm uploading them. But it's a passive income because once I've done the work, so like this example over here, like this baby shower bath head demo, I've done the video, I've uploaded it, I've tagged the product. I don't need to do that. So now I can move on to the next product and the next product. But the great thing is, these videos, they're getting views every single day. And if people watch it and buy, we're earning money. It's insane. If I come over here, I'll show you the earnings. So you can see down here, what's going on there? Oh, that's for the last 30 days. Okay, so if I scroll down here, you can see this was when we got accepted to earn on-site commissions. And then you can see on here, it's slowly and steadily been going on an upward trend. Yesterday, we earned $6.32 from 35 clicks, which is pretty awesome. The other thing to mention as well is if I scroll down here, you can see the earnings on here. So these are the categories where I am obviously earning money. And you can see 1.5, 2.32 and 2.3% in terms of commissions. Now, Amazon pay up to 10%. Realistically, you're looking around the 4% mark, where a lot of the products that you're reviewing, where you'll be earning your commissions. This is home and garden, and some other categories like that. It's all covered in the Amazon frequently asked questions page. Okay, but overall, I'm really happy with this. I have not even touched, other than yesterday, I uploaded 4 videos. Prior to that, I hadn't uploaded a video for about 8 days because my finger here got infected, and I had a bandage on another bit, and I couldn't really do any review videos. But it was still bringing in a passive income from these really short videos, which are less than 2 minutes long. So I would highly recommend you to do this. And the thing is, once you go down the rabbit hole and learn about this, it's just insane. I mean, over here, I'll show you this. So in the university down here, we're doing the case study, and I'll continue to update this in here for the members of, our earnings, how this works and other stuff. But I want to quickly show you this as well. So let me come here and I'm going to go to getting started. I want to show you this regarding commissions. So scroll down here, earning on-site commissions. You can see here the potential with this. So if I scroll down here, where's it gone? So let me go back. Oh, this one. This is the one I wanted to show you, not that one. I'm going to go into here. We can see the different categories. So look, luxury and beauty is 5%. Furniture, home improvement is 4%. Headphones, beauty, these categories here are the 3% down here. Okay, so if you are going to go down this method, then these sorts, up here, these are the sorts of categories you want to be focusing on. I purely just went around the home and found kids' toys and other bits that I had, and they are in the lower end of here. But who cares? A video which has taken me a couple of minutes is bringing me in a passive income, and we've earned $24 from uploading really short videos. Honestly, I'm encouraging everyone to give this method a go and get started with this. Over in the university, we will continue doing the case study on this, and I'm just going to start uploading into this category where we're looking at finding different products, seller rankings, and lots more. So look, I will see you all soon. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this method. Do you like it? Are you going to try it? But from my opinion, without a doubt, simplest and easiest way around to start making money online and from home. Take care. I'll see you soon.